Now, Offerup hasn't always been the huge marketplace it is today. Over time, it evolved from a simple idea to a bustling hub, transforming the way we interact with our community. By merging with LetGo, another player in the buy and sell scene, Offerup has expanded its reach and enhanced user experience, proving that it's more than just a flash in line pan startup. So whether you're a casual seller looking to declutter or someone aiming to make a legit side hustle out of flipping items, Offerup has paved the way, making it easier, safer, and more profitable than ever to connect with buyers and sellers right within your locale. Let's dive into how this platform has not only changed the game, but also how to make money with Offerup, shall we? Overview of Offerup's success. Let's kick things off with a bit of a history lesson. Offerup started its journey in 2011, founded with the idea of making local buy and selling a breeze. We've all had those spring cleaning moments looking at that old guitar or the barely used treadmill and thinking, hey, maybe someone else can use this. Offerup turned that thriving business. But that's not all. In 2020, Offerup merged with LetGo, another heavy hitter in the buy and sell space, to create an even more formidable platform. This merger was like the Avengers assembling, combining user bases and services to offer a more robust experience for everyone involved. This super team up helped Offerup cement its position as one of the go-to platforms in North America for buying and selling locally. So what keeps people coming back on Offerup? It's all about the simplicity and convenience. The app's interface is user-friendly. It's as accessible to tech novices as it is to digital natives. Posting an item for sale takes mere moments, and browsing through listings is as simple as swiping through your favorite dating app. This ease has attracted a wide range of users, from college students to unloading dorm furniture to parents looking to declutter. Offerup's popularity is just about ease of use. It's also about reach. With tens of millions of users, it's a bustling marketplace. Whether you're looking to sell your extra skateboard or buy a gently used sofa, chances are you'll find what you need or find a buyer who wants what you've got. Plus, with built-in messaging, it's easier to negotiate or simply chat with potential buyers. No need to give your personal contact info before you're buying. So let's see how you can cash in on this platform. Revenue generation strategies. Offerup, while known as a dynamic platform for buying and selling, also has a robust business model that ensures it keeps the lights on. So how exactly does Offerup rake in the bucks? Well, let's break it down. First up, there's seller fees. When you're selling something on Offerup, the platform makes a modest cut of sales for certain items, much like its online market peers. This is particularly applicable for shipped items, where service fees deducted to keep the marketplace engines churning. It's a small price to pay for the vast reach and the convenience Offerup provides, don't you think? Next, we have promoted listings. If you've got that vintage record player gathering dust, but it just won't budge from your for sale list, consider giving it a boost. Offerup offers sellers the opportunity to promote their listings for a fee, ensuring more eyeballs. It's a handy tool for those who want a little more visibility for their treasures. After all, if your item is out of sight, it might just stay out of a buyer's mind. Then there are transaction fees linked to various premium shopping options. Offerup has wisely partnered with carriers to provide streamlined shipping solutions. By facilitating these shipments, it makes a small margin per transaction. This is particularly advantageous for those sellers who want to extend their market reach beyond local confines without fretting over logistics. And last but not least, don't overlook the potential partnerships in advertising. While selling items is a mainstay, advertising partnerships also contribute to the overall financial health of the platform itself. Safety and trust features. Navigating the online marketplace can sometimes feel like stepping into the Wild West, exciting but a little intimidating. That's where Offerup shines with its robust safety features and trust features, making transactions as secure and smooth as meeting a friend for coffee. First up, let's chat about user ratings and reviews. Much like your favorite restaurant app, these ratings give you a sneak peek into the reliability of a buyer or seller. A few gold stars, you're likely dealing with someone who knows their stuff and won't flake out on you. But it doesn't stop there. Offerup also implements designated meeting areas, often referred to as community meetup spots, and so these are well-lit public areas, often under surveillance, giving you a peace of mind when you're trading that vintage lamp for cold hard cash. It's a smart and thoughtful feature that can score major points with anyone who's ever felt uneasy about an exchange. Of course, all these safety measures underscore the golden rule of any transaction: trust. Offerup places a strong emphasis on building a community where privacy and transparency are valued. This trust is essential, but not for repeat business, but to make your experience as a seller, or buyer for that matter, worth your while. When people make you feel safe, they're more likely to engage, whether that means buying more or, in your case, selling with confidence. Success stories and tips for sellers. So if you're looking to turn online selling into a profitable side hustle or maybe even a full-time gig, Offerup is a bustling marketplace brimming with opportunities. In this section, I'm going to be diving into some inspiring stories and success tips, from dishing out tips to help you budding entrepreneurs. So flipping and resale wins. So imagine transforming a dusty old guitar found in grandma's attic into a sweet cash deal, or snagging a gently used designer bag at a yard sale for a steal, only to resell it for triple the price. These are the kinds of stories you'll frequently hear from Offerup sellers that got the knack for flipping. Take for example, there's this guy named James, a savvy entrepreneur who started with hardly anything. He began by selling small electronics like secondhand phones and tablets with a keen eye for tech that's trending. He sourced items under market value and flipped them for a substantial profit. So James operates a full-fledged online store right from his living room, thanks to the momentum he built using Offerup. And then there's someone I heard named Sarah. She turned her love for vintage clothing codes into a booming business. And so she began by selling her own closet's contents and quickly realized the potential for buying undervalued vintage pieces, refreshing them up a bit, and reselling to fellow fashion enthusiasts. So not only did she carve out a niche for herself, but she also mastered the art of styling photos that really pop out in Offerup's layout. So my tips for you. So if you're ready to craft your own successful story, here are some tips to get those kind of selling juices flowing. Spot the winners. Look for items that are high in demand and hold their value. Electronics, furniture, and trendy fashion items often perform well. Buyer demand can fluctuate, so stay tuned to market trends. Craft captivating listings. First impressions matter, especially online. Use high quality photos and write clear, attractive descriptions. Highlight the condition, any unique features, and how the item could be a value add to potential buyers' lives. Optimize pricing strategy. Research similar listings to price your items competitively. Offerup has a bustling community, so rate your pricing against top competitors, but ensure you leave room for negotiations while still protecting your profit margins. Leverage cross-posting. Increase your reach by posting items on multiple platforms. While Offerup is your primary marketplace, consider expanding to eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark depending on the nature of your item. Build a reputation. Your profile's ratings and reviews speak volumes. Offer excellent customer service to every buyer to cultivate a reputation that sells. Be punctual, polite, and ensure that items are described. So these stories and tips are just a starting point, offering guidelines and spark for those ready to step into the world of selling with Offerup. By taking practical steps and learning from others who have been there, you'll be in a prime position to make Offerup a cornerstone of your money-making adventure.